Ever wondered what a normal day looks like for someone living in another country? Let's find out together.
Morning, Emma. You won't believe how today started.
Let me guess, the alarm betrayed you again.
Exactly. 6 a.m. Sharp. I stretched. Almost dropped my toothbrush. Mornings are tricky.
Classic. Did breakfast save you?
Yes, oatmeal with fresh fruit and tea. While eating, I saw a meme, laughed for a few seconds.
Good start to chaos.
Left house 7:30. Missed bus. Walked a bit. Park looked amazing. Sunlight through trees. Birds singing. Paused. Felt calm.
Small things matter most.
Work was busy. Emails, meetings. But our 12 p.m. coffee, best part. I spilled a bit. We laughed. Talked for 15 minutes. No phones, no rush.
Love those little pauses.
Walked home after work. Sky soft orange, breeze cool. Bakery stop. Grabbed pastry. Saw kid feeding pigeons. Smiled. Small joys everywhere.
Sweet. Dinner?
Yes, simple dinner, tea on sofa. Thinking. Morning stress turned into small, happy moments. Oatmeal, meme, coffee, pastry, sunset. Simple, meaningful.
Tiny moments are biggest treasures.
True. Today reminded me to notice small joys. Makes ordinary days special.
And those tiny moments stick longer than big events.
What small joy made you smile today? Comment below.
Notice something little tomorrow. It changes everything. Daniel, you won't believe what happened this morning.
Oh? Did your alarm betray you again?
No. Even worse. I dropped my phone in the sink while brushing my teeth.
Classic morning chaos. Did it survive?
Barely. But then I slipped on the hallway rug. Ended up laughing on the floor. Totally embarrassing.
That's actually funny. I had my own adventure. Spilled coffee all over my shirt while leaving for work. Great start, right?
Seems like both our mornings were disasters.
Yes, but on the bus I saw a tiny puppy chasing its tail. Made me forget the coffee stain for a moment.
See, small joys save the day.
Exactly. At work, things got hectic. Printer jammed, emails piled up. But I found a sticky note on my desk. Have a great day. Someone left it for me. Made me smile.
That's cute. Did you eat lunch today?
Yes, sandwich from the cafe. But guess what? They gave me an extra cookie. Lucky day?
Definitely. That's the kind of day I love. Little surprises everywhere.
After work, I walked to the park. Kids flying kites, friends jogging, even strangers waving. Felt nice to just watch the world go by.
Simple pleasures are the best. Did you cook dinner?
No, grabbed takeaway. But on the way, a street musician played my favorite song. Ended up dancing a bit while waiting for traffic lights.
Stop. I can totally picture that.
Evenings like this. Messy mornings, small surprises, tiny joys. They make life fun.
Yes, ordinary days turn extraordinary when you notice little things.
And sometimes, the chaos itself is part of the adventure.
Exactly. Never a dull day with little. Daniel, did you see the rain this morning?
Yes, I got completely soaked walking to the bus stop. My umbrella broke halfway.
Oh no, were you freezing?
Completely. But then I saw a little boy jumping in puddles. Couldn't help but laugh. Made my wet morning better.
Kids have the best way to enjoy life, huh?
Exactly. Work was hectic. Emails, calls, printer issues. But every time I thought of that boy, I smiled.
I love that. Did you have lunch with someone?
Yes, shared a table with a colleague. We exchanged stories about the rain, laughed over our soaked shoes. Small talk, big fun.
See, little moments brighten the days.
After work, rain stopped. Sky turned golden. Walked home slowly, puddles reflecting the sunset. Stopped by the bakery, grabbed warm croissant. Tiny happiness.
Simple pleasures. Did you cook dinner?
No, tried making pasta, but burnt it slightly. Ended up laughing at myself. Ordered takeaway instead.
Sometimes mistakes make the day memorable.
Exactly. Then I walked by the park. Couple flying kites despite the wet grass. Even a small joy can turn an ordinary day into something special.
Rainy days aren't so bad after all.
Nope. They remind me to notice little things. Laughter, smells of wet earth, warm pastries, life's tiny surprises.
And that's what makes every day worth it. Ordinary days become extraordinary if you look closely.
So, messy mornings, broken umbrellas, burnt pasta, all part of the fun, right?
Exactly. Life's little surprises make it exciting. Daniel, Remember our plan for the picnic today?
Yes, I was excited, but the weather had other ideas.
Exactly. It started raining right when we got there.
Classic. Our blanket got soaked, sandwiches slipped, almost into the mud.
At least the lemonade didn't spill. Too much.
True, but then a little kid ran past chasing a frisbee, slipped, and fell into a puddle. Hilarious. We couldn't stop laughing.
See, chaos can be fun too.
Right. We moved under a tree, still wet, still laughing. I almost dropped the sandwiches again.
But then the sun peeked out. Sky turned beautiful. Reflections in puddles. Totally worth it.
Yes, and guess what? A bird landed near our blanket watching us. Tiny spectator. I swear it added charm.
I noticed that. Made it magical. Did we eat lunch eventually?
Yes, a bit messy, but sandwiches tasted amazing. Added the extra cookie we bought yesterday. Perfect touch.
Small joys everywhere. That's the secret of a fun day.
After lunch, we tried flying the kite. Wind strong, kite tangled in a tree. But Emma saved it like a pro.
Hey, teamwork counts, right? The kite finally flew high over the pond. Beautiful view.
Yes, and we laughed the entire time. Messy picnic, wet clothes, muddy shoes, but best memories ever.
Life's fun moments often come from unexpected chaos.
Exactly. Today reminded me, tiny challenges, little surprises, laughter, they make life richer.
Totally. Ordinary picnic turned extraordinary just because we embraced it.
Best rainy then sunny day ever. Pancakes and laughter included.
Absolutely. Can't wait for the next adventure. Daniel, did you see the festival happening downtown today?
Yes, I was walking and suddenly heard music everywhere. Street performers, food stalls. So lively.
Exactly. I didn't expect it at all. The smells of fresh pretzels and popcorn. Amazing.
Totally. I tried a pretzel. Dropped a bit on my shirt. Classic me.
You and food, did you see the juggling performer?
Yes, he was amazing. Tossed 3 flaming torches. Didn't burn anything. I even tried juggling apples. Disaster.
Typical Daniel. Did you try the face painting?
Not me. Watched kids and adults laughing. Someone painted a tiny mustache on a dog. Hilarious.
Oh yes, that dog was the star of the festival.
Then we grabbed ice cream. Vanilla for me, chocolate for you. Walked along the stalls, watched dancers, listened to live music. Felt like a small adventure in the city.
Absolutely. Even little surprises made it magical. Like when the balloon vendor gave me an extra balloon for free.
Exactly. Tiny, unexpected joys everywhere. And the street art? Some paintings were incredible.
Love those moments. Makes ordinary day unforgettable.
Right. I even won a small game. Ring toss. A cute teddy bear. Felt like a kid again.
Ha, childhood joys, unexpected fun. Best part of the day.
Walking back, music still playing in the background, people smiling everywhere. I realized simple joys, laughter, surprises, they make life rich.
Yes, festivals, messy mornings, little adventures, all part of fun memories.
Today reminded me, notice tiny moments, enjoy little chaos, share laughs. Life is full of mini adventures.
Exactly. Let's keep looking for these surprises every day.